Now we have ambiance. My favorite holiday cocktail is not officially a holiday cocktail, but it's a holiday cocktail to me. It is one that I drink every year on Christmas Eve and on Christmas Day. It is called the Vieux Carré. It is a classic cocktail, and so I wanted to share it with all of you. It has this really lovely, warming, herbaceous quality to it, and a nice kind of sweetness as well. I wouldn't say it's a sweet cocktail, so don't be scared by that word, but it does have a little bit of it, and that is kind of what happens during the holidays, right? You just eat too many sweets and then pass out. Or is that Halloween? I think it's both. That might actually be all holidays. Anyway, the Vieux Carré was invented in 1937 at the Carousel Bar at the Hotel Monteleone in New Orleans by a bartender named Walter Bergeron. It is composed of equal parts rye whiskey, brandy, cognac, but if you just use brandy, I won't tell. Sweet Vermouth, and then a barspoon of Benedictine, which is an herbal French liqueur, and Peychaud's bitters, which are a more floral aromatic bitter as compared to the Angostura bitter. These were invented by a Creole apothecary from Haiti in New Orleans in the late 1700s. Classic garnish is a cherry and citrus zest. However, if you'll remember back to my organic holiday decor video, we made some dried citrus. And apart from putting these on lovely garlands, I also wrap presents with them, but that's coming soon. I also like to singe them with some fire, which re-releases the oils and gives the drink a nice kind of smoky citrus flavor. Love to do this in the wintertime. All right, let's make this. 3/4 ounces of rye whiskey, 3/4 ounces of cognac. Ooh, somebody's got to go get more cognac. Hello. 3/4 ounces of sweet vermouth. A bar spoon of Benedictine. A few dashes of Peychaud's bitters. And we're going to stir this because it is a spirit-forward cocktail. If it had citrus in it, we would shake it. But since there is only spirits in it, we will stir. This cocktail is classically served up in a coupe. You can absolutely enjoy it on the rocks as well. They're basically impossible things. Use tongs, don't use your fingers, he said. Can't get the ice. This is just silly. I mean, God, it's just slipping right off. Pro tip, put your cocktail glass in the freezer about 10 minutes before you're going to make the cocktail. And that way the drink will stay cold longer. nice little cinch. And there you go. Cheers. Perfect. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite holiday cocktail is, and I hope you get to try this one as well. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays!